All right, the reality is to pass the test, if that's what you're going for, you really don't need to know how to click through everything. You don't need to know all the terminal commands, nothing like that. But you need a touch of this so that you can get a holistic view of what's going on. When you look at the GUI interface, the big screen full of attributes and configuration items, what's attached to what, it puts a visual inside your head. So one day you'll be doing this all programmatically and you won't care that you need to click on the top left, there's a button here. On the top right, there's a button there. You just need to understand the bigger concepts, such as why would you connect an EC2 instance to an SMS queue? Why would you have an S3 bucket that's connected to something else, an SES simple email service, etc. So why would you have all these things connected? What does it cost? What's the trade-offs? All of those things are important, but to get the foundations down is important as well. So the first few of these videos will be hands-on, hands-on, hands-on. But as we progress, it's going to be more theory. And as you get the theory figured out, the day that you need to use it and implement it is the day you learn the commands and where it is. But you also get a good picture of the interface and how to navigate it if you ever have to.